Hello everyone, this is Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Uh, Today we're making a soap, an unscented soap with rice flour, that's rice powder, and coconut milk powder. Um, I wanted to do this for a very long time. It's just that I didn't know how to formulate this. So finally, I had some ideas and I'm doing it right now. Since it's unscented, I'll be using unrefined uh, cocoa butter. I'm not sure if it will actually give the chocolate fragrance in the soap once it is cured, but I'm hoping there would be that slight little fragrance just to remove the smell of the rice. I mean, I'm not sure how it will turn out to be, but once I have the soap ready, I'll let you all know when I unmold. So now I'll take you all to the making of the rice soap with coconut milk powder. If you like to see videos like this, please do subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the video, and share if you think it's going to be useful for someone. And I'm making it unscented because the farmers market people, normally there are some people who would ask, because they're sensitive to any kind of fragrance or essential oils, so they normally ask me if I have unscented soap, which I've not had till now. So I'm going to be making this one unscented, and maybe I'll make a few more other of my soaps which will be unscented, but that we'll come to later. So as of now, we'll go to the making of the rice soap. So I measure out my ingredients. What I have in this is 50 grams of sweet almond oil, 75 grams of coconut oil. I have 75 grams of unrefined cocoa butter. There's 100 grams of olive oil, 150 grams of palm oil, and 50 grams of castor oil. Now, I have melted all this. It's down at room temperature. I have my lye solution ready. What I have in this is 100 grams of water. I have 5 grams of citric acid. I have 70 grams of uh, lye. I have uh, around a teaspoon of sugar. This is brown because it's brown sugar, and I have half a teaspoon of salt. So the sugar is for the bubbles, and the salt is to harden the soap. Now, what I needed in total was 150 grams of water, but I put 100 grams for the lye solution. I kept 100 grams, I kept 50 grams aside, and I mixed my rice powder in this. So this has got 50 grams of water, and it's got 1 teaspoon, in fact, it's 1.5 teaspoon of rice powder in this. And this has been soaking for some time, uh, almost 4 to 5 hours it's been soaking. You don't have to soak it. I just soaked it. I just put it in and I let it soak when I was making the lye solution. So my lye water is at room temperature. My oils are at room temperature. Now the benefits of rice powder. It is an exfoliant. It promotes skin healing. It has whitening effect. It helps with reducing the dark spots, lightens the scars. It moisturizes the skin, removes excess oil, gives a glow to the skin. And coconut milk powder is a very good cleanser, but it doesn't dry your skin. So now to this oils, I'll be adding my coconut milk powder. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coconut milk powder. And besides this, I will also add my kaolin clay to this. This is just plain white kaolin clay. Two heaped teaspoons of white kaolin clay. And if I want to stir, this is not going to mix properly, so I will obviously use my hand blender for this. So now the kaolin clay and the coconut milk powder is well mixed into these oils. Now it's time to add our water mixed with the rice. And then again mix it up. Now let me do my safety. Before I add the lye solution. I always noticed if I try to cool the lye solution faster, it forms the scum, otherwise it's fine. This is kind of a very simple recipe, like my turmeric soap recipe. I mean, if you all feel like adding a fragrance or essential oils to this, you all can do it. It's just that I wanted to keep this unscented. This is on light trays. I'm good with this. This is a very small batch. I'm not making a big batch. This is hardly 500 grams of oil in total. So I'm using these heart-shaped molds and I'm keeping it under, I'm keeping a tray, a chopping board under this so that it's easier to move. Okay, so I have poured everything into my tray, into my molds. Uh, I'll get you all back when I'm ready to unmold. I'm not sure how long this will take to harden up, but I think I'll keep it for at least 3 days because any which ways I don't have to cut them. Uh, they are just in mold. I have to just unmold them. So I'll leave them in the mold for around 3 days, and I'll get you all back when I unmold this. So we're back to unmold. It's been 2 days. I unmolded the small one. Uh, this I could unmold in 24 hours. I waited for this. Uh, let's see. Yeah, it unmolds pretty good, quick. I was thinking of 3 days, but then I am doing it in 2 days. It doesn't have a fragrance. I mean, I didn't scent it obviously, but it doesn't even have the fragrance of the cocoa butter. So That's what we have. Show what the lather taste. This is normal water. Nice bubbles. That's what we have. Nice creamy lather. Doesn't feel dry. Feels pretty nice. So that's the rice soap with coconut milk. If you all like to see more videos like this, as I mentioned in the starting of the video, do subscribe. And if you like the video, hit the like button. So that's about it for this one. And I'll see you all soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.